Well, I am in the yard as we speak, and hopefully we'll see how it's gonna start. If it starts good, I am gonna be very happy. If it doesn't start good, I have to charge the battery. Okay, looks good. Okay, we have a problem. No more power left. I think we left it for a long time. Hold on. Looks like it's gonna... Let's see what the power is here. Ooh, we might get lucky. Hold on. Yes! Yes! Days I left it alone was on Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fridge. Yep, it's cool. It's on number 2. So, okay. There's the ice. Everything looks good. Then I have to get rid of these now. I don't want them anymore. If anybody's interested, got a little cabinet here. Same like that. Well, that's not bad at all. Actually, 4 days. So I know now that 4 days I can leave it running. That's pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching. I gotta get ready to get the load. I gotta get ready. Catch you guys later. Bye.